By the year 2050, the global population has surpassed 9.7 billion. Feeding the world has required nothing short of an agricultural revolution. In the heart of this transformation is the rise of modern high-tech pig farming. Clean, automated, intelligent, and sustainable. This is not your grandfather's pig farm. This is the future of food. The year is 2050. Pig farming has evolved into a marvel of clean technology, precision systems, and ethical practices. Welcome to the smart farms of tomorrow. Every piglet begins life in a sterile, monitored environment. Thanks to advancements in gene editing, diseases once common among swine have been virtually eradicated. Traits like faster growth, leaner meat, and higher immunity are engineered with precision. Genetic labs screen embryos using CRISPR to ensure the health and productivity of every piglet born. Once born, piglets are transferred to autonomous nurseries. Robotic caretakers feed, clean, and monitor them 24/7. Biometric sensors embedded under the skin track vitals and health metrics in real time. The AI analyzes every heartbeat, temperature spike, or irregularity, alerting veterinarians instantly, often before symptoms arise. Smart feeding systems. By the age of 3 weeks, piglets are introduced to smart feeding stations. AI algorithms calculate each pig's optimal diet based on growth stage, gut microbiome, and even genetic predispositions. These systems eliminate overfeeding and waste, ensuring optimal growth with minimal environmental impact. Vertical pig farming. The world's largest pig farms are no longer horizontal. They are vertical, stretching 20 stories into the sky. Each level is optimized, one for feeding, another for exercise, another for resting, all controlled by central AI systems. This saves space and increases biosecurity. Pigs in 2050 live under constant health surveillance. AI tracks respiratory sounds, gait, appetite, and social behavior. If illness is detected, the pig is gently separated and treated using robotic vet pods that administer care with precision and calm. Environmental control. Each building operates as a sealed ecosystem. Air, water, and waste are recycled through AI-managed biocircular systems. Ammonia levels, temperature, and humidity are controlled for maximum comfort and sustainability. Ethical enrichment and animal welfare. Unlike farms of the past, today's pigs enjoy mental stimulation through enriched environments, rotating toys, social interactions, and even AI-generated music known to reduce stress. Waste-to-energy systems. Nothing is wasted. Pig manure is processed in real time into bioenergy, used to power the facility itself. Nutrients are extracted to fertilize crops grown on-site in vertical greenhouses, forming a closed-loop system. Ethical slaughter with robotics. At the end of the life cycle, pigs are guided calmly into automated stress-free slaughter pods. No shouting, no fear, no pain. Just swift, humane, robot-led processes developed with ethical oversight. Every step is recorded and transparent. Processing and bioprinting. Meat is processed and packaged using AI-inspected conveyor systems. In parallel, bioprinting labs replicate pork using cellular materials for lab-grown meat lovers. This dual system caters to both traditional and ethical consumer markets. Blockchain traceability and export. Every package of pork can be traced back to a single animal using blockchain technology, ensuring transparency, food safety, and authenticity. Drones and smart trucks transport the products in temperature-controlled pods worldwide. China, the US, and Brazil have emerged as leaders in pig farming exports, distributing to a growing middle-class consumer base in Africa and Asia. AI demand prediction tools ensure global supply meets need with minimal waste. Conclusion: the future of food. The world in 2050 eats smarter, farms cleaner, and treats animals more humanely than ever before. With science and ethics walking hand in hand, the future of pig farming is here, and it's more promising than we ever imagined.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and attention. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We look forward to seeing you again soon.